If you want your R&B vocals to sound crisp, polished, and professional in Audacity, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step vocal chain that helps clean up your recording, bring out those bright, airy highs, control harsh sibilance, and finish with a smooth reverb that gives your voice that modern R&B feel. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy audio editing guides just like this. Alright, let's get into the first step, which is all about cleaning and preparing your vocal track. Start by selecting the track you want to edit. Once it's highlighted, go up to Effect, then choose Noise Removal and Repair, and click Noise Reduction. This part is important because it helps remove background noise, room hiss, or any unwanted noise that could make your vocals sound muddy. When the noise reduction window opens, click Get Noise Profile. Audacity will analyze the noise from your track so it knows what to reduce. After that, repeat the step and go back into noise reduction again. Then click OK to apply it. This gives you a much cleaner starting point before you begin shaping the sound. Next, we're going to smooth out the vocal dynamics using compression. Go to Effect, then Volume and Compression, and choose Compressor. Set the threshold to -18 dB, the ratio to 3:1, and the attack time to 0.20 seconds. The reason this works so well for R&B vocals is because it levels out the performance and keeps the vocal more consistent from quiet phrases to louder ones. That consistency is what helps the vocal sit nicely in the mix and gives it that controlled, silky feel. Now that the vocal is cleaned up and more even, it's time to add the crispy high end that makes R&B vocals shine. Go to Effect, then EQ and Filters, and select Filter Curve EQ. Once you're in there, quick Presets and Settings, then Factory Presets, and choose Treble Boost. This gives you a quick starting point for adding brightness. After selecting the preset, click on the EQ line to add a point around 5000 Hz. Then drag the line up slightly between 5000 Hz and 20,000 Hz. You do not want to overdo this step. The goal is to add air, clarity, and presence, not make the vocal sound sharp or brittle. A little lift in the high end can make a huge difference and instantly give the voice that polished, glossy texture people expect from modern R&B recordings. Once the EQ is set, click Apply. At this point, the vocal should already sound more open and detailed. We'll add a limiter to keep the vocal controlled and prevent any peaks from jumping out too much. Go to Effect, then Volume and Compression, and choose Limiter. Set limit to -3.0 dB, then click Apply. This helps keep the vocal safely under control while still allowing it to sound full and present. Finally, let's add a touch of reverb for space and polish. Go to Effect, then Delay and Reverb, and click Reverb. Set the room size to 40%, reverberance to 50%, and wet gain to -10 dB. This gives your vocal a smooth sense of space without washing it out or pushing it too far back in the mix. For R&B vocals, the trick is to keep the reverb tasteful and clean, so the voice still feels intimate and upfront. Then click Apply and listen back to the full vocal. You should hear a cleaner, brighter, more controlled vocal with that crisp R&B character. If you want, you can make small adjustments depending on your voice, your microphone, and how bright or dark your recording sounds. But this chain is a great starting point for getting that professional finish in Audacity. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next audio editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.